Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you my first ever PC build. CPU. I went with the AMD Ryzen 7700X. It delivers amazing performance for gaming, editing, and future upgrades. Motherboard. The Gigabyte B650 Gaming X-Ax V2 gives me plenty of future upgrade options, thanks to the AM5 platform. GPU. The heart of this build is the RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7, perfect for high FPS gaming and next-gen performance. RAM. I added 32GB DDR5 6000MHz Kingston Fury Beast RGB for smooth multitasking and overall performance. Storage. For storage, I chose the Lexar NQ790 1TB NVMe SSD, giving me fast boot times and quick load speeds. Power supply. The DeepCool 750W80 Gold ensures I'm ready for future GPU upgrades. Cooling. I went with the Arctic Liquid Freezer 360mm oil to keep CPU temperatures under control. Case. Finally, the Itek Dark Cave DSA RGB White Edition gives this build a clean, sleek white look. Oh, and one more thing about this build. It's actually the very first time I've ever built a PC all by myself. I'm really happy with how it turned out.